Hi, today we're making something yummy from Rachel Ray, queen of quick and easy, and you know we love our quick and easy recipes. But the question today is, can we make something from scratch in just 30 minutes or less? We're gonna make Rachel Ray's quick chick noodle soup.
So we're gonna add in our olive oil. We're gonna add in our diced carrots.
And she had a certain order too. She said to put them in the order that they were listed on the ingredients.
Why? So the next thing is we're gonna do some parsnips, which I've never used before.
Me either. Do they taste like carrot? They kind of taste like carrots.
It's some diced onions. Of course, you can't forget the celery.
I usually like to have the broth first, and then I add my vegetables so I can gauge by the quantity of the broth the ratio of the vegetables, because I don't want it to be too much vegetables.
She wants us to add in 2 bay leaves. Gonna pop those in.
And you can use fresh or dried.
A little salt, pepper to taste. We're always building flavor as we go. I do like me some Rachel Ray recipes. I don't ever think like I'm gonna make a Rachel Ray recipe that's gonna be like gourmet. I think it's almost like it's good enough.
So we actually found this recipe because someone had gone and tested a few different chicken soup recipes from famous chefs, and she wanted to see who had the best chicken recipe. And I think it included Ina, it included Rachel Ray, it included Chrissy and Pioneer Woman. So like superstar chefs. And you know who the winner was? Rachel Ray, and that's why we are making hers. So it was surprisingly the quickest one too. So in our book, that is a win-win.
So we're gonna add in some chicken stock, and it does say that it's gonna taste better like any chicken soup that you make if you did homemade chicken stock, but I've never done that. I know it sounds easy because I usually have the components.
Yeah,
but
just throw it and boil it for a long time.
I can't.
So I already know this is 4 cups, so I don't need to measure this. Does that sound delicious?
You can add up to 2 more cups of water if you want more broth. And I tend to like more broth, so I'm gonna add it in.
So that means to me, it doesn't have to be exact. So I'm not gonna worry about measuring it up.
So the next step, we're gonna add in our raw diced up chicken tenders. So she said it was very specific to use chicken tenderloins, not chicken breasts. But the cooking time isn't that long. I think raw chicken boiling for like 6 to 8 minutes doesn't seem long enough for me, but maybe.
Noodles, gotta put some carbs in there. Can't have a hearty soup without carbs.
I can't see with all the smoke in front of my face. We're gonna let it cook down for another 6 minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve.
We're gonna take out the bay leaves. It says a handful of dill. That seems like a lot. I'm still blowing out mine. It's like quiet.
I know.
The chicken is really tender. I would not put a handful of dill in there.
No.
I don't know what kind of handful that she's thinking, but I do like a touch of dill. It does add a more depth of flavor to it.
I guess I just never clicked in my head that I should use chicken tenderloin, which is, like you said, more tender. So I like that tip. I really like that.
It's not groundbreaking. It's definitely like just something quick, and you can make something homemade from scratch really quick. So you know that it's nutritious, it's all fresh ingredients. I think that's what you get out of this, is what I'm thinking. I will make this again for sure. I might just add some garlic.
There you go, Gina and I liked it enough, so try it if you're interested and let us know if you try the others, and make sure you like and subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos as we test all these celebrity recipes. See you guys next week. Bye.